Before buying the Telit eSIM for your international travels, here are 12 things you need to know to make an informed decision and understand how it compares to other eSIM options out there. The first thing to know is that the Telit eSIM works globally, offering a reliable network coverage in over 190 countries. This is an important factor to consider since other eSIM providers often have limited networks or only offer local coverage in certain regions. Next thing to keep in mind is the Telit eSIM's flexibility in terms of data plans. Unlike some competitors that lock you into specific data packages, Telit offers more customizable options, allowing you to choose a plan that fits your data needs for international travel. Whether you're traveling for business or leisure, it offers more control over how much you spend in use. The third thing is the ease of activation. One of the advantages of the Telit eSIM is that it's relatively simple to activate, even for those new to eSIM technology. With just a few steps, you can set it up and start using it right away. This makes it a great option for travelers who don't want to deal with complex installation processes. The fourth thing to note is the cost. Telit is often considered an affordable option compared to other major international eSIM providers. However, it's important to compare plans thoroughly, as some providers may offer better pricing for specific regions or longer-term data packages. The fifth thing to consider is data speed. Telit promises fast data speeds, but in some countries, the network speeds might not be as fast as other premium eSIM providers. If internet speed is critical for your work or streaming while traveling, make sure to check the coverage for the country you'll be in. Next, Telit offers 24/7 customer support. This can be a huge advantage if you're facing any technical issues while traveling abroad. Many other eSIM providers offer limited support, which can be frustrating when you're in a different time zone and need immediate assistance. The seventh thing to know is that the Telit eSIM is compatible with most devices that support eSIM, including smartphones, tablets, and other connected devices. However, always check your device's compatibility, as some older models may not be supported. Now, the eighth point, if you're looking for an option with a larger variety of plans, you might be disappointed with Telit. While their offerings are simple and effective, they may not be as varied as some of the larger eSIM providers, which offer a wider range of country-specific or regional data plans. The ninth thing is that Telit's website and app are user-friendly, but the app could use a few improvements in terms of features and functionality. If you value a highly polished app experience for managing your data usage and plans, some competitors may offer a more seamless interface. Next, the Telit eSIM allows for multiple profiles, which is a useful feature when you're traveling to several countries. You can load different data plans for different regions and switch between them easily. This is something that can be a bit more cumbersome with other eSIM services that limit the number of profiles. The 11th point is security. With any eSIM, there's always a concern about the safety of your data. Telit takes steps to ensure secure connections and data privacy, but keep in mind that some other eSIM providers offer additional security features, like encrypted connections for heightened protection. The final thing to keep in mind is the Telit eSIM's customer reviews. Many users have praised its reliability and ease of use, but some have reported occasional issues with network coverage in certain regions. It's important to read through reviews and confirm if it aligns with your specific travel needs. In conclusion, the Telit eSIM is a good option for international travel, especially if you're looking for a simple, affordable, and reliable solution. However, if you're after something with more flexibility, faster speeds, or better global coverage, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.